Come test drive the 2021 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, splash guards, front wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.